Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to create a sliding effect using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Before you watch this video, make sure you have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first, open up your browser and VS Code. And now go to File, open Folder, Documents, right click, New Folder, right click and rename the folder Sliding Effects. Select folder. Now create a new file named get.i.html, i.css, i.js. And on the i.html, write HTML5. Then link the HTML to the CSS. And then link the CSS to the JS. And then link the HTML to the JavaScript, not link the CSS to the JS. Now, right click, copy, paste. There we go. Now, to get this project started, I'll create two divs. Put all of them h1. This one says bye. Then this one says hello. I'll give this one an ID of L, which stands for left, a class of H, which doesn't stand for anything, this one an ID of I, which stands for right, and a class of H. Again, now reload. Cool. Now that we've done that, it's time to do the styling. Now for the div, I have to do the hardest thing in the world, centering a div. But don't worry, nowadays centering a div is pretty easy. You don't even have to flex a muscle. So I'll display grid. Now place item center. What? Did you think that was the only thing we have to do? We also want to center the grid vertically, so you have to set the height. I'll set the height to something like 100%. And I'll set the width to 100%. Wait, div, this is meant to be .h, not div. Set the height to 100%. Then I'll set the width to 100%. There we go. It's not centered yet. And then lastly, I'll set the position to absolute. There we go. Wait. Remove. Yeah. Anyways, after I've done that, next thing I'm going to do is that I'll make the text to be bigger. .hh1. I'll set the font size to 250 pixels. Margin to 0. 15 VW, which is basically 15% of the viewport width. I'll set the width to 70 VW, which is 70% of the viewport width. Set the text align to center. Now the text is 10 times bigger. Now for the hashtag L, and I'll go to the body, I'll set the overflow to hidden. Because I don't want there to be any scrolly. I'll set the background color to crimson. set the overflow to hidden, the index to 1. Now, set the overflow to hidden. Reload. Let me move this overflow hidden. Scroll down, scroll right. Hello. Yeah, so now that I've done, well, this, it's time to create the actual effect. No, not Opera. So for the JavaScript, first I have to get this ID of the hashtag L. L equals document. So get element by ID L, and now document. Now when the mouse moves, what is it going to do? Well, I'll set the X. I'll get the percentage of the mouse compared to the like window. So I'll get e.client X times 100 divided by window.either width to get the percentage of the mouse compared to the window. And then I'll set the width of it to $sign X percent. Okay. So anyways, this is l.style.window. This is meant to be l.style.width and l.style.window. Now you see that it works. Now what this code does is that it sets the width of this to the percentage of the mouse compared to the window. And what this overflow hidden does, it makes it so that the text won't be overlapping with each other. So if I remove the overflow hidden, you see that now the text is overlapping with each other. The overflow hidden is basically just like a clipping property. The next thing we need to do is need to give it nicer font. Nicer font, it dramatically boosts the goodness of your website. And I'm tired of using Varela around all the time, so I'll search for Railway font. I'll go to Railway. Scroll down. Have I not selected? I said, ugh. I'll also select any one of these you want. And once you selected it, whatever you want, I am going to double click on this to copy everything. Control C, Control V, and write asterisk, which means you style all the elements in this page. I'll set the font family Railway, cursive. I don't know why always cursive, but whatever. Yay! It looks more serious now. No, it's not serious. Now for the buy, I really want to give this a sort of nighttime style. So I've got hashtag R. I'll go to Google Color Picker, my best friend. And then I'll pick sort of a dreamy color. Yeah, that's perfect. I'll copy this hex code. And I'll set this background color to this. No. Reload. Yeah, you did it. Alright, hashtag R H1. I'll set the color to white. Created 2 tabs. Bye. Hello. Bye. Hello. Now I want to give this one a sort of sunny sunny style. So I'll go to yellow, copy this, set the background color to light yellow, hello, bye, hello, bye, hello. Alright, hashtag L H1. I'll set its color to this, to darker version of this. Save. Now, yeah, I'll make this darker. Save. Hello, bye. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye. ObaCode.